Gold long-term forecast for the week of January 16th, fxempire.com. The gold market rose for the week, but pulled back from the highs to close below the 1650 level. It didn't fall quite enough to consider this necessarily a shooting star, but you can see the weekly candle does look quite a bit like one. The body should be just a little smaller for our liking, but it does mean the same thing. It means that it is struggling. There is a little bit of a wedge being formed as well. It's a little early to get too excited about it, but we could perhaps be seeing a bit of a wedge, barring the one spike that we had that did not hold. And this downward wedge or downward kind of channel could give us levels from which to pay attention to a breakout or a breakdown. Looking at it, we can see that the $1,500 mark has been significant support, and we actually extend that all the way down to 1,500, 1,550 and 1,500 being the entirety of the range, and as such, we feel that there is a lot of support in this area. But the highs are getting lower, so really you have to kind of wonder about that. Currently, the 1650 area above is pretty decent resistance, and if we can break that, that would be a significant shift to the upside. And having said that, we would be very comfortable buying gold, as there are many reasons out there to perhaps own it. If you can buy it in euros, as the European Union had several members have its credit rating cut by S&P late Friday, you may see that euros or gold in euro terms really start to outperform gold in dollar terms, and that has been the way it's played out over the last year or so anyways. Currently, we see this area between 1650 and 1550 as being very choppy for the long-term trader. So we simply need to see a breakout above 1650 or break down below 1500 in order to place a trade either to the long side on the 1650 plus or to the downside on the 1500 or lower. A break of the 1500 level, we believe, would be the start of something serious. We really do think that $1,500 is going to be key going forward.